thing. Continuing to our Civil 3D class. Today video is a requested video. Whenever my friend asked about creation of title block in section sheet or our section. So before going to create a section sheet, we must create a template. A template is like a title block having content with a title block and many things regarding your work or your company, contractor, subcontractor, and only contractor, and then the client and consultant. These things are the scale, drawing title, notes, location, key plan, like this thing involved in this topic. So let's start from here. We will go to new, and from here inside the Civil 3D we have first create a metric or imperial. If you want to work with the metric, create meter, centimeter, millimeter, create from here. If you are working 14 inches, create from here. So I will create from this one. Okay. Now here in layout mode, select from here from template. From template go to plan production folder, and here this you will find this inside your Civil 3D. Here you can select anyone from here. There are many types of DWT files. So I will select the matrix section or section, and then I will open. It's asking me the scale on which A0 size is it's a big size, 841 multiply 1194, like this, and this one 849961, like you can check from the when you are printing the size. So A0 is bigger than A1, so let's print this one A1 with the 1:1000 scale. I will select this one and click OK. Now you can see it's appear here. So you need to do nothing, only everything is set here with your viewport, anything. You just copy paste your notes, your company logo, consultant, contractor, client, everything. Just copy paste here with the simple this like a block. You double click on it, and like you can see, or you enter BE black editor and select this one, this title black from here. It appear here somewhere. So like this, you double click here. Just outside then. BE is best for the. So from down arrow you will found where this one, the same name here appear. So go here, from inside select this one, delete this thing, and just paste your notes from your title block. From the company logo, just paste this one. It's a simple AutoCAD thing. So and save this one. Okay. Now anything else, if you need, right click here, go to page manager. From here modify, select if you have a pen assignment for your work. So select this one. Suppose I am selecting this one. The page size you can see from here, as I mentioned before, 841594. Like A0 is bigger than 1. The scale 1:1000. You can adjust this the name of your printer uploader from here, and then OK, close. So now this template, and then go to file, and from here save as. Suppose let's save under desktop with the DWT, because for template we are using this. So let's suppose cross section. I will write cross section sheet and then save. Okay, now close this one, we don't need this one. Okay, from here, let's suppose we don't have this one, we will create this section. So I have everything before we have created in previous video, so I will not go into detail. Okay, from here we will select from the home tab and we will select create multiple view. From here in this section there is nothing special, only you can select a section view style. From here if you like anyone you can select here. You can from here you can check which style you are selecting. Suppose if I am selecting this one, let's select any one of them, no problem. But the important thing is here in the section placement sheet. From here you must select, you go to the place where you save your template sheet. Suppose this my CA sheet and desktop I select, so automatically how many scale for this A1 size you have saved, it will appear here and you can select. I only select one, so here it appears the one. Okay, from here you can select standard or basic or your own style. If you want any one of this one you can select. Only select the basic one or any one of this one if you have something. And then the next thing are the same like this one, and the section view tab, select any from here the basic one I am using. Okay, and then create, click here. Now as you can see, okay, because I deleted from here, so you must sample this thing to. Okay, now you can see the section with the table. Okay, so I don't need this elevation over here, so I will delete the bin below the section. Okay, if you don't like the style of the section, from here you can select there are many rows section, apply, and you can see the style extension. Just click here and select this one. You will I will make a detailed video on this one. Now we are not going in detail with this one. So now you can see the scale is 1 to 1000, so all the section fit here. Okay, I selected the template. I select the scale inside that one, so no need here to setting anything because I select template. Just click here, select one and create section sheet. Go to create section sheet. From here select start new sheet set. There you can exist and you can see set where you want to save this document. So let's say we are set under this tab we are saving this one, so I create section sheet. Okay, the drawing will save. Now the section sheet created. Before you can see there were only two layer 1, layer 2. Now this section sheet 1 and the section sheet 2. Already I selected this one, so you can see you can copy paste your logo from the company logo here. You can select from here the thing you can edit and so. Like this, the first page is like this one. The second page is like here. Okay, if you want to show the graph inside your cross section, just select from here and the major horizontal graph, the major vertical, and you can create your. Okay. Okay, so you can appear the, the graph inside your section like this one. The next thing, if you want to change the graph space between the graph vertically and horizontally, you go to array. From here you can adjust everything. Here by column you can select by column or by row. Flat area, this the flat area grid detail between this one and this one. So 35 is for both. The gap between successive pages between you can increase and decrease. From here you can insert the minor grid line. Normally we don't not turn on this one because the section will not visible, and the flat area sheet border is the flat area. If you want to turn off or sheet border, you can turn off from here and turn on from here. So like this you can create your section sheet in the title block, and same like we did before. From BE, go to select the name of your block. From here it will be here, which thing we use here. You can select from here, and you can change this one. Just double click and anything you want to change, and you can change from here. So this was today video about how to create title block and cross section sheet in Civil 3D. Hopefully you will practice on it. Thank you.